As we dug deeper within the minds of Callan3, our minds were captivated by the thoughts of the surface. When the Blackrobes discovered us in the hydro vent system, our little adventure was over. Our acts of defiance were small, but they were met with severe punishment. Our clan was allowed to surface, if only to make an example of us. We were dragged before Chancellor Valtar, a monstrous tank-bound Torvok. As the lashes rained down on my back, I could feel the blood trickling down on my skin, but the pain was nothing compared to the sight of Ava, my love, being whipped beside me. I pleaded for her punishment to end, but my cries were ignored by the Blackrobes. But Ava, with steely determination in her eyes, opened her mouth. Her voice resonated with power and conviction as she sang a song of defiance and resistance. But as her song reached its crescendo, a stark realization hit me. They would kill her for this. Valtor, with a guttural tone, ordered the Blackrobes to silence her. Her eyes never left mine, even as the song ended in a scream. I watched in horror as she became annihilated before my eyes, evaporating into the sands. The telcam zoomed on my face, capturing my reaction for all the colonies to see. I could hear the cries of the women and the tears of the men, but the message was clear. Any act of defiance would be met with immediate annihilation. Ava's execution was looped and sent to all remaining Outer Planets telescreens. We could still hear her song, her voice, and body being annihilated, replaying over and over. Then the thumping, fists on chest, thousands coming from the telescreens. Fast, like a racing heartbeat. It was in that moment, as the fire burned in my belly and the spite crossed my lips like venom, that I swore to myself I would not rest until I exterminated the Blackrobes and Prime Minister Valtar.